ka blood donation camp balapan long henin kasisa jan hasta klop jong ka star cement Lumshnong kiladon hado nrufu arngut ki bri ke blon shakmat ban Snam a henry fungut ki dei ki dongtre jong ka company star cement but arngut ki dei ki banaka Kerman Foundation ya ka ka program lakhot penlong da ka Kerman Foundation harkat ka jinge trelang bat ka tanat CSR jong ka company star cement lembat ka civil blood bank joai Umentri jong ka sarkar jila uba Kerman chila ulalongkum ukongsan bat ka MLA jong ka Sutnga Saipung constituency ka kong Santa Mary shila kalalongkum ka simbut kongsan.
हो गया तुम्हारा? हैं? आपका बाकी है?
We have seen their contribution, and which will be a lot more to come. As per my knowledge, we had a discussion with the Deputy Commissioner that a lot more of development will be coming to East Yanni Hills through this DML. And frankly speaking, before I used to question myself, I used to question a lot of friends. When do these people spend their CSR, and what activities do they do with CSR? But seeing it today, it really makes me feel so good to see that you have done a great job. And I would like to urge and request you to kindly keep doing this kind of activities, this kind of programs, where through your CSR, our locals will be benefited.
And I'm happy to see that the government coalition is growing day by day. We have heard that from the honorable minister himself said that we have got so much of numbers in the government coalition. It shows that this leadership is not a failure. It's one of the most rewarding. This government coalition is one of the most rewarding coalition. As to say that they have contributed the maximum that they can to the society. I really thank you so much for having this kind of coalition in our district. I'm very happy and delighted to see such things that are happening in the district. A blood donation camp has been happening all over the district, even recently also it has happened. But as I say, once saving one life is a blessing, as I say. If you, like they say a word that serving to the people is a service to God. So if you donate your blood, you are saving somebody's life.